Stones are ready to deliver the sweet sounds of heaven, with some help from Lady Gaga and Stevie Wonder. The A-list collaboration is set to arrive on Thursday, September 28th, according to an Instagram post from the legendary rock band on Monday, September 25th. The band shared the news along with a short snippet from the track, which features harmonizing vocals and a piano melody from Wonder. Sweet Sounds of Heaven will be featured on Rolling Stone's 26th studio album, Hackney Diamonds, marking their first studio album of original material in 18 years, and the band's first since the death of drummer Charlie Watts. In addition to the Lady Gaga and Wonder collaboration, the album will also feature tracks like Bite My Head Off, with bass from Paul McCartney, and Get Close and Live by the Sword, both of which have piano from Elton John. Other previously revealed guest spots on the album include 2 tracks recorded with the late Watts, Mess It Up, Live by the Sword. The latter also features an assist from former bassist Bill Wyman. The album, which ends with a Jagger Richards cover of the Muddy Waters song that inspired the band's name, Rolling Stone Blues, was recorded all around the world, from Henson Recording Studios in Los Angeles to Metropolis Studios in London, Sanctuary Studios in Nassau, Bahamas, and Electric Lady Studios and the hit factory Germano Studios in New York.